Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and welcome back to the Imagine Crafts YouTube channel. So I'm going to use these inks here by Memento and some VersaFine Clair ink. I may add some other inks later on, but I recently got, I got an Instax Mini camera, and so that's how I did that little photo there, and I thought I would do a donuts layout. So wish me luck. So I have this donuts background stamp. It's a rubber stamp, and there's some donuts missing. Yes, it was a full box, but I managed to get a photo anyways. And for fun, because I'm having fun using it, and I got it for Christmas, and so I got to start using it. And so I used some white cardstock here, and I'm using some VersaFine ink in Onyx, and I'm just inking my background stamp. I'm using my Misty stamping platform here, and I am making sure I get a good impression, so I'm pushing down on that, and and then so I love how it looks black and white, so that's another option too, but I really wanted to use these Memento inks, and I'm going to be using them in Espresso Truffle and Peanut Brittle. Don't those two inks just sound yummy? And we're doing a donuts project here, so I am feeling like I need a donut while I'm making this layout. And so doesn't it look great, just black and white? So I could have just left it like that, but I wanted to use these fun inks, and I'm going to see what it looks like with my photo here. And so here are those inks that I told you, Espresso Truffle and Peanut Brittle. And the stamp set comes with like dots like this, which I kind of thought they look like the nuts on one of those donuts there. I know it's hard to see, but it's like a chocolate donut, like a chocolate cake donut with nuts on it. And so I was going for that look, and it even looks good if I leave it like that as well, but I'm going to be adding some more details because why not? And a white space is kind of hard for me, so I wanted to add some color here. That's why I'm going to use that VersaFine, what is it? VersaFine Clair pigment ink in baby pink. And I'm also going for this other image here, and it was going to be like my chocolate cake, but I kind of went out of the lines there, and so I'll have to cover that one maybe. And so I'm going to keep working on stamping my donuts and adding my nuts, and I forgot, I think I'm adding, let me see, I'm probably adding icing as well. So that one looks good, and I do get in the lines on most of them. And it's a rough layout, and it's fun. I just wanted to do something different than a card, so maybe I'll be making some mini layouts. And right now I have this hung up on my wall, so it's kind of fun because nobody wants my donut photo but me. That's what I'm thinking. So it'll be for my craft room, and then I can remember this donut time, and it's calorie free if I just look at it. So, and this baby pink ink is so pretty. I just love the way it looks. And those are pink sprinkles I'm going for. So I just love that pink. And so it's baby pink, and I'm gonna have to use that more often. There was a donut with colorful sprinkles on it, so I could have used more colors, but I kind of wanted to leave it as pink and browns on here. And so I'm just going to keep on stamping a little bit here, and I am going to use those hearts there. So this could be a good one for like love, or maybe another time you can send it out for Valentine's. So I think it's just really, really fun. And big layouts like 12 by 12s can be a little intimidating because you need probably like 3 to 4 pictures. And this is just one picture, and I thought it was super fun, and that's why I think I could do more mini layouts like this. Even if you make a book, that would be cute too, like a mini book. So I'll have to see if I can start doing this more often. So I am also going to be grabbing some pattern paper from my stash after I stamp a few more of these donuts. I wasn't satisfied, like I said, leaving them blank, and I will have the inks that I used. I also used some tape, some Tear It tape, so I will have that as well. I'm also going to stamp a sentiment onto my Polaroid, or it's not a Polaroid, it's an Instax Mini film, or how would you call it? Just a photo. I'm not really sure. So I'm using this StazOn ink, and I'm going to, it probably would have been better if I put it in my stamping platform and did it, but oh well. Because I didn't get a very dark impression, but you can still read it on there. And I almost took a marker and just wrote yum, but it says sprinkled with love. So sprinkled with love is fun. And next here's my pattern paper. So I cut this paper to be, I think it's about 7 by 7. And I have a sentiment here that says, today's plan, craft, snack, and repeat. I think it says that, craft, snack, and craft. I'll have to zoom in on that when or maybe I'll get it down from my table or my wall. So it says today's plan, craft, snack, craft. So kind of like repeat, which I thought it was fun for this layout. And so I inked it up, and I grabbed a doily, and I'm just going to place my photo on the doily because I wanted to give my layout like some kind of layer, just to give it more, so it wasn't so plain. So I think it looks cute. And then I have my sentiment, and I have my sentiment on my photo. And I'm also going to grab some ribbon that I was looking through my stash, and I seen this donut ribbon, and I said, yes, I have to use that for this layout. So I'm going to be adding that as well. And I am going to, let me see. I'm just using some liquid glue. I'm using a bone folder just to crease everything down. Here's where I'm going to ink more with the peanut brittle ink, and I just love the name of that. and I wanted it to match my donuts a little more. And just cleaning up my area so I don't get any ink anywhere else. And so this layout is almost done. I'm just making sure my table is dry before I put it down. And so here is the tear it tape. So I'm just going to be using that to add some of my, picture. And it works really good. I love it. So I suggest it because you can just tear it and it's easy. It sticks really good. I also use it for my ribbon that I'm going to show you in just a second. And so I am probably going to have to get another one of these rolls. And so now my table is dry and I put my layout down and I'll put my photo. And almost done here. So I hope you try this. Maybe you have one of these cameras or a different kind of camera that you print your photos. I want to invest in a different printer as well for photos. And just adding some liquid glue, and then I will place my doily there, trying to cover that mistake that I did earlier. And just creasing everything. And then I'll add my sentiment, which I like, today's plan, craft, snack, craft. And I add that with some foam tape. And then the last thing that I do is add my ribbon that I will cut and place on my layout here, my mini layout. So I hope you grab these inks. They're so much fun to play with, and I'm so happy that I got to show you my little mini layout here. And I'm using these clips because that's how I will put it on my wall. I have like a wire frame, and here's my ribbon, and I'm just making a fishtail flag, and I will add that ribbon with some tape, with that tear it tape. So see how fun it can be just to find stuff in your craft room, and then use these fun inks to give some detail to these donuts like I did here. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.